The client business is involved in direct selling, wherein her income was based on the sales. 25% of the total sales would be her income.
And how has the loan helped you in your business?
Nakatulong po ba yung loan po ninyo? Sa paanong paraan?
Siyempre, dinagdag ko sa pagka may hindi nakakabayad sa akin, sir, yun ang pinambabayad ko.
Tapos?
Para hindi ako makasjud.
She was saying that in order to protect her credit reputations on the dealer, and sometimes when the customers are able to pay those kind of commodities, the loan was used to pay in order for her to have a good credit standing in the dealer. Okay.
Okay.
But sometimes her clients was unable to pay also. What they get from the client.
What challenges do you face?
Sa inyo pong pagtitinda po, ano po yung mga nararanasan niyo pong problema o hirap po sa pagtitinda?
Siyempre, sir, pagka walang pera, walang benta. Pagka malakas yung pag-anihan na, sir, malakas din ang benta.
She was saying that when the harvest season comes, so she's saying that her sales goes rising. But in times of crisis also, because those are quite more expensive than just those items being sold in the market. So when the season crisis, normally her sales was declining.
What are your hopes and dreams for the future?
Ano pa po yung gusto niyo pong matamo sa buhay po ninyo? Ano mga pangarap niyo po sa buhay? Tulad po ng bahay po ninyo. Ano pa po? So mapag-aralan yung mga anak po ninyo. Yun po yung mga pangarap po po.
Kasi yung anak niya, kuha niya, ang anak niya, valedictorian niya.
High school?
Mag-graduate ng grade 6 na yan. From grade 1 yan, grade 8.
They were telling us that her daughter was a...
First honor from grade 1 up to grade 5.
Probably valedictorian.
And
she's dreaming that you're going to send it also in college, also to maybe to finish to their house.
Already 10 years already, you see, it's already very old.